Hi there, in this video I will guide you through how to leave a task in Asana. If you join a task mistakenly or you want to leave a task which you don't want to complete, then this method will work for you. The first thing is open the application. Once the application will be open, the first thing you have to do is you have to head over to the taskbar. If you take a look on the bottom, you will see different options. From these, select the option task. After it, move to the task which you want to leave, just like I have a single task. Now, in order to leave, take a look on the right top. You will see 3 dots. Click on these dots, and in this bar, you will be able to see the icon of Leave Task. I can't leave this task. I only can delete it because this task is created by myself. So in order to leave it, I need to delete this task. But if you join the task of someone else, then you will be able to leave it and you will find the option here, and that's it.